Rahim. Hello, dear students. Hope you will all fine. I'm a resource person, a lecturer MPS and C, Asad Ali, from the subject of Pakistan Studies. The code of this subject is 20592, the environment of Pakistan. Today we'll start unit number 5. The title of this unit is Mineral Resources. Firstly, we'll discuss what are minerals, means that the definition of the mineral. Minerals are inorganic natural substances and one of the natural resources of a country. They are obtained from under the surface of the earth. Now we'll discuss how are minerals formed. There are the three, you can say, point regarding the formation of the minerals, how the minerals are formed. First, some minerals are originally formed from hot magma, which contains the minerals. When the magma cools, crystals of minerals appear. Most minerals are formed underground when heat and pressure transform one form of the rock into another. Secondly, some minerals are formed near or on the surface. These occur when mineral-rich fluids such as silica bearing water evaporate. They can also be formed when volcanic rocks are broken down by the action of water and wind. Thirdly, many minerals form crystals. The shape of a crystal is determined by the arrangement of its atoms. If the crystals form slowly, these may become gemstones. And next, we will discuss mining process. What is mining process? Mining is a process of digging rocks and minerals from the earth. Minerals are found at different depths. There are three main methods of mining. Firstly, open mining. Secondly, underground mining. And underground mining further divided into two sections. Means that first one, adit mining, and secondly, shaft mining. First, we'll discuss open cast mining. What is open cast mining? Open cast mining means that when some minerals are minerals like coal and iron often lie near the surface, open cast mining scoops up these minerals from near the surface. The minerals bearing rocks are stripped off by giant excavators and power shawls, which then load the material into lorries or railway wagons to be carried away. Secondly, underground mining, which I have been told to you, further divided into two sections, into two types, adit mining and shaft mining. Firstly, we'll discuss adit mining. What is adit mining? An adit is an opening or passage. Adit mining is done in hilly districts where a mineral seam is exposed on hillside. After the coal is dug out of an opening on hillside, the miners create a passage as they go deeper into a hill to dig out the coal. The passage may be horizontal or may slope up or down depending on the angle of a mineral seam. Horizontal tunnels are dug into the side of a valley or hill to reach the mineral deposit, as in the case of Soar coalfield near Quetta. Secondly, we'll discuss shaft mining. What is shaft mining? Vertical shafts are dug down to the minerals, especially for coal. Tunnels are then dug horizontally to the layers or seams of the minerals, which is then removed through the tunnels. This method is expensive and can be dangerous. For both adit and shaft mining, consideration must be given to the problem of ventilation and underground transportation. Because this, you can say, the shaft mining is also very dangerous because the workers, those who are doing their jobs, okay, in the shaft mining, okay, this method is very risky for them. Dangerous gases are also present underground with the risk of poisoning and explosions causing the tunnel roofs to collapse. Another hazard in some areas is flooding. Minerals have been trapped deep underground on many occasions. And then we'll discuss how many methods of mining are there. Uh, Next, we will discuss kinds of minerals. There are two kinds of minerals are there. Firstly, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, one of the mankind's most highly prized possessions. Many of the everyday articles in our homes are made from metallic minerals. A few metals such as gold and copper occur in pure form as metallic elements, but most are found as ores, which are chemical compounds containing a high proportion of the metal. Mineral sources can be classified, which I've been told to you, into two sections. Firstly, we'll discuss about the metallic minerals, and secondly, the non-metallic minerals. The non-metallic minerals means that just like the example coal, sulfur, rock salt, barite, gypsum, soapstone, fluorite, limestone, marble, clays. And before this, I've been told to you metallic minerals. The examples of metallic minerals are iron ore, copper, antimony, chromite, silicite, manganese, gold, silver, tin, bauxite. And now the assignment for you people, because this is all from my side, and you will do these two assignments, okay, at your home, related from these topics. Firstly, draw a list of metallic and non-metallic minerals, and secondly, how would you differentiate metallic and non-metallic minerals? Thank you very much.